Serum albumin concentration is used as a measure of the state of protein nutrition. What is the cutoff value of serum albumin concentration below which it will suggest malnutrition? Option A 1.5 gram per deciliter, option B 2.5 gram per deciliter, option C 3.5 gram per deciliter, option D 5.5 gram per deciliter. Serum albumin concentration is indeed a key indicator of the state of protein nutrition in an individual. A concentration below 3.5 gram per deciliter is considered to be a sign of malnutrition. Albumin is the most abundant protein in human blood and reflects the body's visceral protein mass. When the serum albumin level drops, it suggests body is not getting or not able to metabolize the protein it needs, which can be a sign of malnutrition or other medical conditions affecting protein synthesis or causing protein loss. So the correct answer is option C, 3.5 gram per deciliter.